Grab a glass, grab your favorite bottle. Gotta sip it slow, yeah, that's the motto. Get relaxed, no reason to trip. It's the boy Brocky, man, whiskey and kicks.
All right, let's get to the disrespect. We got things to talk about. Let's go ahead and
I just asked about these yesterday.
get this.
I just asked about these yesterday.
You didn't notice I didn't say anything?
I noticed your silence.
I said I was silent on the show when you said you tried to get him that day. And I was like, I'm gonna kill this guy.
Just when I thought, let's not even. First and foremost, the box is insane.
Yeah.
This box is not to be thrown away.
Nope.
If you've got the plastic boxes, this one, oh, okay. So it also has like a little latch to the.
It does have a little latch there, doesn't it?
That's dope. Oh, these are the Salehe. I always say his name that way. I don't know if that's how you actually say his name. Salehe. The lavas. The goddamn lavas.
Yeah, these are the lavas. What's the other ones called? Are these the lavas?
These are the
Because
lavas.
you know they got the silver. He got the silver. Yeah. These are the ones I wanted.
I actually wanted the other ones.
Yeah, the other ones are. They're saying that the other ones are the hype, the really really hyped up ones. Now, like they're like those are the ones. Those are the ones.
Oh.
You know, I don't care about
Originally going out. Oh, all right, hold on. Let's not even get to that. So, right off the bat. So this is back to back with the 1906 New Balances.
that. You know, I wore these just in case we wanted to compare a little bit, just in case.
I'm noticing the level of disrespect that I walked in. The guy has them on. Okay, all right. The colorway to these are sickening.
Crazy.
Sickening. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We won't count black. 8.
You gotta count black, bro. They could have went a different color with that.
I could have went a different color. 9. And if you're anything like me and this guy, this little bit of yellow counts as 10.
Because it's splashed throughout.
Yeah.
Boom, boom, boom.
The writing.
Yeah,
All
the
right.
writing. And you counted these 2 different reds, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
All right, go ahead,
I
man.
did. All right, so
I don't want to interrupt.
the first thing you notice is that the sole is not just this Bordeaux color. It actually looks like what happens if you kick your tire by mistake.
Yeah, little black scuff
That little
thing.
black scuff, but it's around the entire sole,
The entire mid.
which is so dope. You got the play on.
I didn't see that online.
No,
I only
not
saw
at
that
all.
when I got them in person.
Not at all. So you got the purple and this Bordeaux color alternating from, the actual sole in the bottom. You've got this little white part for the pronation side. The plastic here, not plastic, but this gel that's in there is the same color as the plastic on the back. So they tied those two together.
Yep.
I think they did the same thing down. Nope, they did not do that there.
No, it's different.
Okay. All right. So then you've got what we just talked about, which is that it's not even a Bordeaux. It's like a deep violet. You know? Where's Jadakiss when you need him?
Oh man.
For the soul itself. God, this white Negroni, ladies and gentlemen,
It's fantastic.
crazy.
It's fantastic, man.
Yeah, so then you go into the obvious color of this like a lighter, a more electric version of this orange netting. And the reason I said that is because you've got burnt orange for the shoestrings.
Yes.
Right?
Yep.
And so it plays on those two colors. And then you've got red netting on top of the orange netting.
Just sitting there, yo.
And that pops in just in these two places, here
Yep.
and here.
Boom,
right?
boom.
Just to add depth and color to it, a
Yep.
color change. And then you've got this electric blue that just shoots all over.
Floats around.
But on top of that, there are these little, what color is that? Is that the same color as the plastic on it? No, it's a deeper richer color.
Yeah. Yeah, it is.
And it's probably like, it's not brown.
It looks like digital for some reason.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It looks like data.
Looks like data. That's such a Wu-Tang thing to say. Looks like,
It look like data, son.
son, you look like data, son.
You gotta take me downtown to get them data joints, son.
But then that adds another color.
It does.
Because that's more like a red velvet. It's not chocolate. You know what I mean?
That's true. That's very accurate.
It's like a red velvet color. Then you got the Salehe little tab on there.
Yeah.
You know, with the yellow writing, the same yellow on the end lock right here that we
Yep.
talked about before, but on this sneaker,
The same ribbons.
It's the ribbon to for as an eyelet. Then you got, you know, that same, whatever this we would just consider to be a red velvet or chocolate cake situation is around the end itself
Oh yeah, it's true. With the black outline.
with the black outline on top of that. And then you got the purple tongue
Completely that only shows up on the sole.
just on the sole.
That's it.
That's it. And then you got the yellow, you've got the electric blue again, but then here shows up some yellow. Right here, the little NB on the back, and the yellow is just in teeny places. A little bit of writing on both sides
Yep.
for the end lock, the NB on the back.
Just
and
enough
right here.
for the city.
Just enough to wear a full-on yellow shirt with.
Straight up.
Straight yellow.
Yo, these joints is so nuts, dude.
The
Crazy.
it's wild. We didn't talk about the toe here.
Yeah, that's a whole different color.
It's a whole different color blue. That's nowhere else.
Nowhere else.
That blue is just there.
Yep, that's true.
And then you got the cork sole on the
Yep.
inside. I don't know if it comes out or
I was
not.
about to say that. Yeah, it does.
Okay. Yeah. So you got the cork sole on the inside there. To
Yes, sir.
match the box.
Yep.
To
Pause.
just be there. And that's a nice pause. These to know that these were the lava joints and to understand what lava, you know, the whole fire. These are
It's a beautiful,
stupendous.
It's a beautiful sneaker, y'all.
They
It's
are
a beautiful sneaker.
sick.
So yeah, I mean, it wasn't a raffle for these.
It wasn't.
You just had to go. It's like the same way Action did his.
Mm-hmm.
They got a website, a launch site or whatever,
Yep.
and you sign up and whatnot, and then they send you a password. They sent me a password, and then I went in there, and it's all timing. It's all timing.
Yeah.
And luck.
Because I did that and I got nothing.
Yeah, I did it. Boom, boom, boom. Went straight to the joint. Boom, boom, boom. Done.
Yeah.
I was like, that's it.
That's it.
I'm done.
That's it.
That's it.
These
Hands
are,
off.
These are spectacular.
Yeah, he
I'm
did
not
a
even
great
gonna hold
job. Both pairs tough, yo. The silver
Yeah.
joints is tough too.
you. Whoa. We missed something. There's a little,
Yep. Them three little lines
the
up there.
three little lines right here. Huh.
It looks like it's like, is that like it feels
It's like a
fabric
yeah,
almost,
but
right?
it's like a plastic, but that's interesting.
Mm-hmm. Listen, they didn't leave
No stone unturned.
no stones unturned.
I really, really, really like the soul. That dirt, you know.
Yeah, I love that.
That
I love
is
that.
super duper dope. son.
And they got like a plastic thing that they like
Oh,
put around the eyelets.
Yeah.
the ribbons or whatever.
the ribbon.
The ribbon. And he put his signature thumbprint
Yeah.
on the tongue.
Yeah.
Like he does, because you know
He's
the
been
whole
doing that.
the whole Croc design
This
is
is
all
thumbprint.
thumbprint.
And it's here on the box. The NB on the box is the same
Yeah,
thumbprint.
same exact
it's,
thing.
It's everywhere.
I don't know if it's his or not, but I'm assuming
It's a thumbprint.
It's a
Let's go with
thumbprint.
that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well done, sir. Well done, Salehe, again.
I gotta sit down a little bit. I've been going crazy.
You've been on a tear, son.
I gotta sit down for a little bit.
On
Man.
a tear.
Action got some joints coming out. They're looking really nice.
Yeah.
And so I'm gonna do my best. I'll say that. I've been going crazy. Like, who would have thought?
I plan to take February off.
February, huh? That's a good month to take off.
because it would be rude of me to try to convince myself to take off in my birthday month.
We're not doing March.
March.
We're both March born, March babies. That's not happening.
It's not happening.
There's a Bally out there with my name on it for my birthday. That's a given.
It's interesting you say that because I intend to go. What do we call them?
Gentrification.
I'm going gentrification.
So let's schedule a full gentrification episode.
We need Vic.
Oh, we gotta have Vic on because Vic stay with the gentrification joints.
Vic will need you for the gentrification episode.
Oh
Yeah,
man, yeah, tough joints.
Very
son.
tough, very tough.
Tough.
Like I said, they were under the table. Under the table.
You can't.
underneath.
If you walk in to see this sitting here, it ruins everything. You gotta have a little bit of
Absolutely.
suspense.
Absolutely.
All right, man, that's it, man. We're
Yeah,
stuck
man.
here with these white Negronis. We're gonna finish these up, and
Man.
I'm sipping mine a little faster than you sip yours, but I get it.
Look, it's showing up
I get
early, and this is a school night.
It's a school night,
And
yo.
I'm just past rookie. I've been in the league like 2 years, but I ain't on my new contract yet. You know, I'm still on my rookie contract.
I'm already prepared for Trina, who's back there resting right now, to give me shit about not giving her one.
Yes.
So yeah,
Yeah.
we good?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
That's it, man.